Assam's flood situation turned catastrophic over the last 24 hours, with more than 30 people losing their lives and more than 100 reported missing. According to the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, nearly 8 lakh people have been affected across 16 districts, taking the overall death toll this monsoon season to over 50. The worst hit districts are Sivasagar, Charaideo and Jorhat, which border Nagaland. A cloudburst in neighbouring Nagaland on Sunday, along with incessant rainfall, caused rivers to overflow and inundate vast areas. Worst hit districts and rising toll. ESDMA said Sivasagar alone reported 20 deaths, including 4 women and 2 children. Charaideo recorded 5 deaths, including 2 children, while 2 people died in Golaghat and 1 woman lost her life in Jorhat. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, who visited the affected areas, described the disaster as unprecedented. In a post on X, he said exceptionally heavy rainfall triggered by a cloudburst in Arunachal and Nagaland, where rainfall was 141% and 181% above normal respectively, led to an unprecedented discharge of flood waters into Assam. He added that around 100 people were reported missing in Sivasagar and the full extent of the damage was yet to be assessed. Relief and rescue operations. Sivasagar remains the worst affected district with nearly 3.6 lakh people impacted, followed by Jorhat with around 88,000 and Charaideo with over 72,500. Overall, 5,64,600 people have been affected across Biswanath, Charaideo, Dhemaji, Dibrugarh, Golaghat, Jorhat, Kamrup Metropolitan, Karbi Anglong, Nagaon, Sivasagar and Tinsukia districts. The Chief Minister announced an ex gratia of Rs 4 lakh for the next of kin of each deceased and assured full support for relief, rehabilitation and livelihood restoration. Acknowledging delays in relief distribution due to inaccessible villages, he said drones were being deployed to deliver essential supplies where even boats could not reach. He also assured assistance in replacing documents lost in the floods. Situation remains critical. At present, 273 relief camps and distribution centers are operating across 10 districts, sheltering 12,284 displaced people. Rescue teams, including the Army, NDRF, SDRF, Fire and Emergency Services, Assam Police, and the Civil Administration have rescued over 6,000 people. The floods have submerged 872 villages, damaged more than 24,210 hectares of farmland, and severely affected roads, bridges, and embankments. The Brahmaputra and its tributaries continue to flow above the danger level, while the IMD has issued a yellow alert warning of thunderstorms and heavy rainfall over the next 4 days.